Yeah, I want to say right now, there's a thing came to me not too long ago, and I just want to say, what if, what if, what if you own everything that you ever needed? What if you own everything that you ever needed? But, but, what if you own the biggest car, the biggest house, the biggest land? You have your private jet. You have, as a matter of fact, let's say you had everything. You had control to get access to everything in the world that you need without any problems. But you were the only person in the world. How would that even make sense? How would that even benefit you? How would you even enjoy, sharing the wealth of the world? I mean, you can sleep in any of the richest hotels that you can think of. You're the owner of the World Bank. You have all the private jets and all the luxurious lifestyles. You have access to all of it. You can do whatever you want, whenever you want, everything. But there was nobody else in the world but you. How would that make sense? I am saying that to say this. You gotta wake up. Wake your ass up. You know what I mean? You gotta wake up because you know what? At the end of the day, your brother matters, your sister matters, the next door neighbor matters, your friend, people matters. So you gotta be careful of how you treat people. You gotta be careful of how you treat people. Because I have a thing to say that you will never know. You're not going to know. There is no warning when the table is changing, when the table is turning. There is absolutely no warning. So you're rich today, you have it all today, and you wake up tomorrow and you don't have shit. You know what I mean? So you gotta respect. You gotta have respect for people. You gotta have respect for your surrounding. You gotta have respect for the people you come across in life. I am not expecting anybody to be like me. I am not expecting anybody to love people the way I love people. I am not expecting anybody to try to be perfect or to try to, you know what I mean? But you have to learn how to eliminate hatred. It destroys nobody but you. You got to learn how to uphold righteousness. You got to learn how to operate knowing that even if you own everything that you ever wanted, it is meaningless if you have no one to share it with. What if you had everything that you ever needed, but nobody around? A lot of people do things to please people, and you don't even know that you're doing it to please people. If nobody was around, would you dress all nice and fancy to suit who? If you had everything you needed, would you try to buy the fanciest car to please who? If you had everything that you needed, would you try to live? You would just live a normal life. In fact, you would probably die soon. You would probably die soon. You would not survive in a world by yourself. You cannot survive in a world by yourself. You need people. So treat people respect, pay homage, pay respect to who it is due, live up, live right, and love. Peace, love, and harmony. I will say this before I leave. I will say this before I leave. Y'all need to come together and live in unity. Because there is no one person that can make it by themselves. Each one needs one. And if you can't manage the energy of a person because it is toxic, just leave, just walk away. But don't destroy them even if they're the enemy. Love everybody as much as you can. You just know your space, you know the margin, you know the borderline, you know how far to go, but that is it. You just gotta love people, you just gotta love your haters, love your friends, love you, love who hate you. You just gotta hold on. So I wanna say right now, press towards the mark of the high calling. Press on, never give up. There is no reason why you should ever give up. There is no one that is worth your giving up. There is nothing that is worth your giving up. Keep on holding on. Keep on pressing on. Keep on achieving power, more fire. Peace and love, my brothers and sisters. God bless you all. May the good Lord bless and keep you until we meet again. Peace out.